Wakako. Hello,
Hello.
hi. Welcome to
Mm,
my class. Yes, good evening. Can you hear and see me clearly?
Yes, I can see you clearly.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
hear you and
great.
hear you clearly. Yeah.
Yes, that's great. I can also see and hear you clearly. Nice to meet you today. Is this Wakako?
Yes, nice to meet you too,
Oh,
Eric.
yes. It's good to have you in my class. So, how are you doing today?
Today I was busy at work, but
Okay.
yeah, I think it is happy for me
Oh, wow.
to have a lot of things to do. Yeah,
Oh, really?
yeah,
Wow.
yeah.
That's
Maybe
amazing.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Because mm, uh, if if I have if I have nothing to do,
Mm.
I think of
Ah,
negative
yes.
things.
I
Yeah,
get your point. Yes, that's very true. So it's better
yeah,
to do something, right?
yeah.
Yeah, we need to be busy sometimes so we cannot think of negative things, right? That's good. That's good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Mm.
especially under the pandemic.
Yeah, that's
So
true. That's true. That's true.
I feel some very doomed, very
Mm,
down
because of pandemic, that's right.
because of the pandemic and Tokyo Olympic game.
Ah, yeah, Tokyo Olympic
Yeah.
game. Yeah.
Oh,
It's next month,
oh
right?
yeah.
Next month? It will start next
Next
month?
month.
Yes. Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
It's exciting.
Wow. Yeah, very
Yeah, it's very
exciting.
exciting. Yeah, many people will come to Japan, so you need also to be
Yeah.
careful, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
please
Yes, I will.
keep
Yeah.
safe all the time, okay?
Yeah. Yeah. Um, I, I, mm, I don't go out from my
Yeah, dude,
home.
go. Anyway, you
Yeah.
can just
Fortunately.
watch online, right? You can just watch
Yeah.
online.
Yeah. Fortunately.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Fortunately, I work at home, so
Oh,
I
wow.
I don't have to
Mm.
com- commuting in the train.
Yes, okay, that's good. That's good. All right, so
Yeah.
we have the same type of job. We are working from home.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start with the lesson. So I can see here you
Yes.
chose World Tour. It's
Yes.
Denmark. Yes,
Mhm.
okay. All right, so the first activity is about sightseeing spot. So please
Mm.
look at number one. We have New Harbor. Wow, it's very nice.
Mm.
Okay, so let's do warm up here. So please tell me something about this picture in
Mhm.
30 seconds. Please describe, okay? The picture.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Mm. There are many houses,
Many houses.
buildings,
Oh, buildings, yes. Okay.
buildings with colorful walls,
With
and
yeah. Continue, please.
their roofs
The roofs. Mm-hmm.
made their roofs were orange
Orange
color.
roofs, right?
Yeah,
Orange roofs. Yes.
and
Okay.
and many people are mm, mm, having lunch alongside the harbor.
So many people are having lunch.
Yeah,
All
yeah,
right.
and
Yes.
I can see some ships. Yeah.
Ships, of course. Yep. Mm-hmm. Very
Mm,
good.
so nice, beautiful scenery.
Yeah, it's beautiful scenery. Yes, that's right. Wow, very good. Okay, that's nice. Now let's have listening and comprehension. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see the directions here? Listening and comprehension.
Yeah.
Okay, please read the directions.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Okay, so now let's listen, okay, to the audio for about the new harbor. Here we go. Okay.
New Harbor. New Harbor, or New Haun, is a 17th century waterfront, canal, and entertainment district in Copenhagen.
Mhm.
It is lined with brightly colored 17th and 18th century townhouses and bars, cafes, and restaurants. The canal has many historical wooden ships.
Wooden ships. Okay. Now let's proceed to the question part. So please check the directions for the question part.
Okay. Choose the answer to the question from A to C.
All right. So I will read the question for you, okay? What
Mhm.
does the canal have? Is it A, historical
Okay.
wooden ships, B, mountain trees nature, or C, 17th and 18th century town houses?
Okay. The
Hmm.
answer is letter A. Historical wooden ships.
Yes, letter A, historical wooden ships. Very good.
Yeah.
All right, good job. Now please open the answer and check. And as you can see,
Mhm.
the clue was the sentence in red. All right. Now let's read out the clue line. Please repeat after me here. Okay. The
Mhm.
canal
Mhm.
has many historical wooden ships. Please read the clue line.
Okay. The canal has many historical wooden ships.
Yes. Do you have wooden ships also in Japan?
Currently, it's rare.
Very rare, right? Okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
So
Mm,
metal, maybe metals, right? Not wooden
yeah.
ships. Okay, now let's continue. This time, let's move
Yes.
on to the next one. Number two,
Mm,
Tivoli Gardens.
mm.
Wow, it's so nice. All right, so let's do the warm up once again. Please tell me something about
Yes.
this picture. Please describe it
Okay.
in 30 seconds, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Mhm.
I can I can see a roller coaster,
Roller coaster, yes.
and I can see mm, I can see I don't I'm not sure, but
Mhm.
Japanese or some or Oriental
Ah,
building.
yes, yes, it looks like, right? Yeah, Oriental, yes. Oriental buildings, that's right.
Yeah, yeah. And
Exactly.
around the pond there are a lot of trees.
A lot of trees. That's
Yeah,
right.
and mm, there are some boats or
Boats.
in the ponds.
Yes, that's right.
Mm,
Okay. Wow, it's amazing.
mm,
All
mm,
right, thank you so much. That was great. Now let's
mm.
listen to the explanation. So I'll play the audio. Please listen carefully, okay?
Okay.
Let's start.
Tivoli Gardens.
Tivoli. It's
Tivoli
Tivoli.
Gardens is an amusement park and pleasure garden.
Hmm.
The park opened in 1843
Wow.
and is the third oldest operating amusement park in the world. It is located in downtown Copenhagen, next to the central rail station for the city.
Wow, so it's very old park, right? It's very
Yeah, yeah.
old amusement park.
Mm, mm.
1843. All right, let's have the question. So, what
Mm,
is Tivoli Gardens? Is it A, an
okay.
amusement park, B, a rail station, or C, a nature garden park? What is your answer?
The answer is letter A, an amusement park and pleasure garden.
That's correct. Very good. Okay,
Yeah.
so now please open the answer and check. And as you can see, the clue was in the sentence was the
Mm,
sentence in red. Okay. Now let's
okay.
read out the clue line. So please
Mhm,
repeat after me. Tivoli
mhm.
Gardens is an amusement park and pleasure garden. Please read.
Tivoli Gardens is an amusement park and pleasure garden.
Wow, so it's very
Mm,
nice. Okay. All right, so let's move to the next. We
mhm,
have short discussion. Okay, please
mhm.
check the directions.
Okay. Okay, choose your favorite topic between A and B, then talk freely with your teacher. Okay, okay. I prefer the topic A.
A, yes, please tell me about A.
Okay. Do you have amusement parks in your country? Please tell me about them. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. 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 We have amusement parks
Mm-hmm.
in my country,
All
in
right.
Japan.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah. And the most famous ones are Tokyo Disneyland
Yes, that's true.
and Universal Studio Japan.
Mm.
Japan, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. The top two are
The top two, right?
very famous. Um,
Even in the world, right?
in Japan
Ex
and
mm,
in the world, yeah. Yes,
that's
many
right.
people visit to there, yeah.
Yeah, that's true. It's very
Yeah,
popular, and I
very
want to
popular.
visit there as well. I want to see
Yeah,
that. Yeah.
yeah,
But is it true that the Tokyo Disneyland is not really in Tokyo? It's in
yes, that's
Chiba?
true. Yeah, yeah. Yes, it is in Chiba.
In Chiba, yeah. Very controversial. Why is it called Tokyo Disneyland?
Um, be- because of yeah, I think it is because of name value of Tokyo.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
that's true, right?
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Because Tokyo is very known.
yeah, yeah, and
Mhm.
actually, uh, it, the Tokyo Disneyland is very near from Tokyo. Yeah,
Oh, so
yeah,
that's why, right?
yeah,
It's very
yeah. That's
near.
why. Yeah,
Okay.
maybe 15 to 20 minutes from Tokyo Station.
Wow, wow, it is really close.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so maybe they they wanted to call it almost Tokyo.
Almost. So not Tokyo Disneyland, but almost Tokyo Disneyland.
Yeah, almost